Okay, so let's take a look at doing multiple collectibles. So I'm going to create another Blueprint class here, actor, and let's call this a ring. And we'll jump into here. Let's add a static mesh. And then here, let's do a torus. Okay. And then if we want with this, we can change the basic color or any of the settings really that we want. On here, let's just add it so that way we can have like a yellow colored object here. And save. Actually, I think that's going to set everything. Let's close out of this. Okay, cool. Let me make sure that it didn't set everything here. Okay, good. Okay, so here in the blueprint I have that coin. Let's select the coin and let's rotate it 90 degrees. Let's have it do the rotation. Rotating movement, and instead of 180, let's do this 360, so it's going to be much faster. You'll see that if we throw this in, we throw it behind him. We have that. It's not going around on the center, so let's check that. We can see that it's not quite centered. Let's select this. Do we have an offset? Doesn't look like it, but what we can do is just move it to be centered. And that should be better. So let's play this. You can see that that is better. We have a big, huge, fat coin there. Or not coin, but ring. Okay. So we have the ring there, and then I'm just gonna go through and on actor overlap do a destroy actor, and it's gonna destroy itself. It's fine. So if I go here, it's not doing it because I don't have a collision object. So let's add in the viewport here, box collision, and then on the box collision, let's select that. Let's extend it this way and extend it up. There we go. Compile. Now if I go in here, I can get that. We can see that it's not collecting it yet, or counting it as a collectible yet. Okay, so let's go to the blueprint for the character now. And we basically want to copy this. We can differentiate that later. But we want to do that, except that we're going to cast to ring. So we're going to cast to ring. And you can see that if we connect it here, the problem happens is that then this gets disconnected. So how do we get past that? And if we can connect the actor to the object, that seems to work just fine. It's just the string, because you can not have it go to multiple different places. So if I hold control, I can disconnect it there. So let's create another variable. We want to collect rings this time. It's going to be an integer. This is going to be rings. And then here we're going to basically need to delete this section here, because we're going to set rings here, and that goes there, and that goes there. Let's compile. And then we can say like rings has so many or whatnot. Then over here we need to get integer plus integer. Then we want to set it from rings, so let's get rings. Whatever rings currently is, which is 0, we're going to add 1 to it, and then set it to the rings, then print it out. So I'm going to close that out, and then just so that we can verify that this is working completely, let's throw in a few more of these rings behind the character. Just make sure it's in range. Where it can be collected. Okay, so let's play that. You can see that they're working there. You can go this way. Did it add it? Let's see. Oh, because I don't have anything going on inside of the blueprint. Let's go back to the side scroller blueprint for the controller. So right now we have it going to both, but we don't have it connecting. So how do we have it connected? What we need is a sequence. So we tell it when we go out here we're going to do this, then this, and this, and so forth. So we can add more options, but with the default it just has 2, which I can collect there. Compile. And then let's play. So if I go here, we should see that it adds the rings. We got 3 rings there. And now when we go this way, we get 1, 2, 3 for the coins. They are kept tracked separately, so that way we can use them to keep track of each individual item for a coin or for a ring. Alright, so that is it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.